Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through setting up Cloud Computer Use. Um, think of it, Cloud Computer, as your digital co-pilot, right? To handle complex tasks across your favorite apps and tools. Need to analyze data from multiple spreadsheets. Cloud can open them, extract the information, and compile it into a report. Want to automate repetitive workflows? Cloud can navigate through various programs, filling out forms and processing information, having saving you countless hours basically. But here's where it gets really exciting. With this tool, you can uh, research across multiple websites and compile comprehensive reports. But there's, let's say, perplexity that can do that. However, this tool can not only research but save those information to a file in your computer. How crazy is that? If you're a developer, basically, you can build test software in real time, just like Ada and stuff like that. But you have full access to the computer itself, basically, like the command line, etc. Auto like you can automate data entry moving between different applications, like let's say create something in Photoshop and that's exported to a vector editor and then upload it to a file, something upload it to a website or something like that. So it is absolutely amazing. I think it's still experimental, but I think it's in early stages. But I believe it represents a huge leap forward in how AI can uh, assist with real tasks, basically. Um, so, with with I mean, I'm pretty sure. But to me, it's super exciting. But I am pretty sure once we finalize the setup, and you will see, and if you try it out and try on some useful practical task, you'll see how big of a deal is this right now. And it's super easy to set up. So, but I just want to walk you through that. To do that, though, let's start with what you'll need. First, you'll need to install Docker Desktop. It's a free tool um, that you can get from docker.com. You can. I already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do that. But if you're personally using it, it's completely free. Um, so you can go to get it from www.docker.com, and from their basically download page or pricing page. Second, you'll need the Anthropic key. If you go here, if you log into your account, let's go from start. If you logged into your account, you don't need a professional account, by the way. You can click on your user name, go to API console. It will open up the screen console.anthropic.com /dashboard, and you can get your API key here. This is what you will need for the purpose of this demo. I'm gonna create a new key, Cloud Computer Use demo key. Let's get that. So you make sure you copy this and save it in a proper location, because if this is stolen or somebody gets a hold of it, they can make API calls which will cost you money. You definitely want to keep that secure. I mean, you can rack up a lot of money if those are not securely saved. Um, One second. Now, so here's the exciting part. Now, we want to um, install the Claude Computer Use. Let's search for Claude Computer Use and go to their GitHub page. So this is literally like forget about the rest of the instructions because we want to set this up on our local machine. So all we need to do is basically run this command with the key that we generated earlier, right? So I am getting Docker run. So this failed because there's something else. Looks like something else is running on port 5900. If that is the case, that is fine as well. We can update the port that 5900 is mapped to another port, which I'm going to be doing 5901. And it's starting. I already had the image on my machine. That is why it's not pulled. But for people who doesn't understand what an image is basically think of it as a virtual machine that needs to be pulled from somewhere. Like basically the Anthropic builds this image for people to be able to easily run Anthropic computer use on their machines without minimal effort. All the necessary components are already there. So since it's already running right now, so let's see what it looks like. We go to our local host, HTTP localhost 8080, and here it is. In case you get an error saying that the API key is not there, there's like a arrow up top. You click on it, and there's like this Anthropic API key, and you just can plug it in your API key that you get from here. Basically, this without these keys, you cannot communicate to Anthropic. So here's a quick demo. Let's say I want to make a search. Open Firefox browser and search for Chinese restaurants in Miami, Florida. So now it's doing its thing in the background. As you can see, it takes a screenshot. Then it should like, by the way, I cannot interact with this here. Clicks on the Firefox, right? Then it's gonna type in Google and search for Chinese restaurants in Florida. Got Miami. This is pretty amazing. Now, let's see. Let's see. I wanna find out what the. I want to go a little bit more technical, and I want to see if it can install a tool that is not present to complete the task. For this task, I want to get CNAME records of google.com domain, meaning which this is a very simple task. It's basically can be done with like a command line tool like dig, and you can say like or dig www.google.com, and it will show uh, like CNAME or A records basically. Um, so let's do that. So what is using dig, find out what google.com domains CNAME records are. So this, just to give you a context, this needs to install the dig command and issue the command on CLI. I'm not giving any other context other than what I want to accomplish. This is this is the amazing thing. This is what uh, this cloud large language model already knows what to do without giving me too much over information, and basically install the tool, get the tool that it needs, and issue the command, which is pretty amazing. See, it issues the command first, and it fails. Then it literally gets to the apt-get command. This is an Ubuntu machine, and it uses Ubuntu's install command to get the DNS utils, where the dig command is located, and voila, it's right there. That is pretty amazing. And there's to it. If you want to shut down the machine, all you have to do is Control C, and that's it. After that, the system will be done. Thanks for watching. Thank you.